back at the daughters. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and I'm at my daughter's house, and I'm going to do my tiny tidy in her. This is her little dining room, and she has beautiful fall decor, and we're going to do a bunch of dusting. Tiny Tidy Tuesday is hosted by Sunday Dawn, and her YouTube channel is The Helpful Home. Make sure you check out her channel. And I will have all the girls that are doing this tiny tidy this week listed in my comments. So let's get busy and tidy up Jodie's dining room. I'm going to use the Swiffer duster and let's dust around the mirror. Beautiful plant here. It's got a great new shoot on it. What's this plant called? ZZ? Oh, my hair doesn't look too bad. So, just gave that a light dusting. See in case there's any little cobwebs. And her beautiful new picture she's got. Oops, I made it crooked. Okay, let's dust along. The Swiffers are great for this type of dusting. And the noise you're hearing is Jody putting her dishes away. Okay. We'll give it a little swipe anyhow. It always helps. Should I do the ice? Get some ice going. Yep, make ice. We always need ice. Yes. Oop. Yeah. Nice smelling one.
Yeah, it's like lemon or something, isn't it?
Yeah, what's the brand? Just lemons.
Yeah.
For surface cleaner.
Yeah, I wondered, I don't remember where I got it. Walmart, I think? Maybe? Molly Mart.
We go.
I walked in front of the camera.
It doesn't matter if you walk in front.
Well, I did.
I can always bleep you out. I can delete you.
Yeah, that's true.
I have power, I can delete my kids if they get in video.
You do have that power.
Hey. Bring you over. There's her beautiful chair. And we're just going to spray it and wipe it. We're just getting the dust off the bottom of the chair legs. This is a good one. Where is it? There it is.
Buddy's doing that reverse sneezing.
Maybe. Okay, we got the table all dusted, the chairs turned over and all dusted so that the floor is clear so we can vacuum and mop this little area.
Nice. Oh, I gotta fill the bucket. I gotta fill the bucket, Gold. I was just using it. I hope these are very Yep, they sure are. The straw can just stay out for a while. Wash it.
And we dusted the pit. Jody has a great gallery wall in her dining room.
All off Amazon.
All off Amazon, you probably heard that. Yes, she got all this off of Amazon and they look very cute. I really like it. Well, that what I might have.
If I'm gonna mop, I better be videoed.
Okay, there we
So
go.
there's proof. I can show my husband proof that I am not a lady of leisure.
Good grief, no. You're not a lady of leisure. You work during the week too.
I guess I'll leave on Goldie's bum.
There's Goldie. There's our Goldie. That's my granddogger, and there's my Rusty. So there's my buddy.
You probably didn't vacuum here yet.
Yep, I did right here. Just right out to the right, I vacuumed. So you can.
I might need to wet them off, but we'll see.
That's good. No, you don't have to do over here. I didn't do that. Okay, so that dining room is dusted and wiped down and vacuumed and mopped. So that is perfect.
Thank you for watching Nana's Tiny Tidy Tuesday.
I'd like to thank Sunday Dawn for hosting this collaboration and remind you all that there is a playlist in my comments. Don't forget to watch and get all the motivation you need from all the Tiny Tidy collaborators. And I would like to thank everybody who has watched and welcome any new subscribers. Welcome, welcome. And I'd like to send a big YouTube hug out to my regular subscribers who watch me all the time. Thank you, thank you. I really do appreciate your support. And if you like my content, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment so I can say hello to whoever is here. I always like to know who my subscribers are, who's watching and what they're doing, and all that stuff. Anyhow, we'll see you in my next video. Fairy Garden Thursday. Bye!